Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. We will discuss about what is method overloading and how to achieve overloading in Java. So for definition, if a class has multiple methods having same name but different in parameters, it is known as method overloading. Like if you have to perform only one operation, having same name of methods increases the readability of the program. So let me show you how it works. Like I have a method public void, and this method is responsible for addition. I'm just taking two variables here, int a and int b. I'm just try to add that to a plus b. Let's save this and run this. Sorry. For this, I need to just call that method using object of that class. My method name is sum. Just pass two values, 2 and 3. Let's save this and run this. You can see we are getting 5 here. That is correct. And I want to just perform one more some operations, but I want to just to perform some operations using double values. So I am taking double value here, double values, double A and double B, and I am also just performing some operations here. So A plus B, and I have double values, so I have to pass double values here, 2.4 and 3.4. Just save this and run this. You can see 5.8. This method is get called. So this is working at that. If you have a same name and method parameters are different, that is called method overloading. So if you have like first method I have int values, second method I have double values, you can get one more method which have like char value or float value, whatever values you want. So this is working like that, and there's more thing, like I don't need to just put two values in every methods. I can put only one method, one values, and just pass single value in when we are calling that method, so that that method will get called. Like for you, let me create one more method here, public void. This is also sum, and I am passing a single value, and I am just trying to print that single value a. And just for this, I'm just making one, like I'm calling one more method and sum, and I'm passing single value 7. Let's save this and run this. You can see I'm getting 8 7. I can pass triple values here, public void sum. I can take triple values here, int a, int b, and int c. And this one is also responsible for addition, like a plus b plus c. And for this, just pass three values here, like 7 6 and 2. Save this and run this. You can see I'm getting 15. This method is get called. So this is work like this way. So if you have same method name with different parameter, that is called method overloading. It makes your code more readable, so that when anyone just look into it, he will understand, like this method is responsible for addition, this method is responsible for subtraction. So try to use this code by your own, practice on this topic, and so that you will get more clarity about this. So that's all for this video. Thank you.